Hello, friends. Welcome to Learning English Forever. Today, we have a super fun story called The Big Race Day. Get ready to learn new English words and phrases with Arthur and Clara. After our story, we will have easy explanations for every sentence. You will learn English step by step. Let's start. Look at this exciting picture. We are at a big car race. Many people are here to watch. The sky is blue and sunny. We see two friends, Arthur and Clara. Arthur is a man, and Clara is a woman. They are very happy. A red race car is driving very fast on the track. Arthur is pointing at the car. Clara is clapping her hands. Everyone is having a great time watching the race together.
Look, a red car.
Wow, it is very fast.
Yes, go, go, go.
This race is fun.
Look, a red car. Arthur begins by saying, "Look, a red car." Here, Arthur wants Clara to see something exciting. The word look is a command. It means see this or pay attention to this. It is often used when you want someone to notice something quickly. Arthur is very excited and uses look to show Clara the car. The car is red, which is a color, like the color of an apple or a stop sign. The word car is a vehicle with wheels that people drive. In this picture, it is a special race car, very fast. Arthur is pointing at it, so he is showing Clara exactly where to look. He is happy to share this moment with her. This is a very simple and common way to start a conversation when you see something interesting. Wow, it is very fast. Clara responds to Arthur by exclaiming, "Wow, it is very fast." The word wow is an interjection. It shows strong feelings like surprise, excitement, or admiration. Clara is clearly impressed by what she sees. When she says it is very fast, she is talking about the red car that Arthur pointed to. It refers to the car. Is a form of the verb to be, used to describe something. Very means a lot or to a high degree. It makes the word fast stronger. Fast means moving quickly. A race car moves much faster than a regular car. Clara is clapping her hands, which shows her excitement about how quickly the car is moving on the track during the race. Yes. Go, go, go. Arthur replies with, "Yes, go, go." Here, Yes is a word of agreement. Arthur agrees with Clara that the car is indeed very fast. He is confirming what she said. After yes, he enthusiastically shouts, "Go! Go!" This phrase is often used to cheer for someone or something, especially in a race or a game. It means keep moving quickly or win the race. It's a way to show support and encourage the driver of the red car to continue driving at top speed. Arthur is very involved in the race and wants the car to do well. His voice would be loud and full of energy as he cheers. This race is fun. Clara then says, "This race is fun." With this sentence, Clara shares her feeling about the event. This refers to the current activity they are watching, which is the car race. A race is a competition of speed. People try to be the fastest. Is again the verb to be, connecting the subject, race, to its description. Fun means enjoyable, pleasant, or entertaining. Clara thinks watching the cars go fast and the excitement of the competition is a good experience. Her smile in the picture shows that she is truly enjoying herself. She is happy to be there with Arthur and watch the cars. Great job today, English learners. You did wonderfully with the big race day. Keep practicing and you will learn so much. Please like this story, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Learning English Forever for more exciting lessons. See you next time.